Big old hole filled in. We got a ways to go though. We gotta fill this whole thing in all the way back to there. And all this in here where the tank dam blew out. You're gonna get stuck. You're gonna get stuck. It's gonna sink that thing down in the hole. Old dump truck's running good. It's dumping good. Getting this dirt moved. You can see that hole's pretty deep, 15 or 20 foot deep, 15 probably. Trying to get where I can eventually back the dump truck a little closer to the hole and actually dump it in the hole. Right now, don't want to get too close. Bank will cave in, the dump truck will end up down there. That wouldn't be good. Yeah, getting her done on a Sunday. I was out here at dark getting ready to get started. Yay. Thank y'all for watching, guys. Later.